Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson we're going to look at vector basics. What vectors are, how to add them, and how to multiply them. So first, what is a vector? A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Examples include displacement, velocity, and force. We usually represent a vector as an arrow. The length shows magnitude and the arrowhead shows direction. Now, let's talk about adding vectors. Vectors can be added in two ways. The triangle rule. Place the tail of the second vector at the head of the first vector. The resultant is drawn from the tail of the first vector to the head of the second. The parallelogram rule. Place both vectors tail to tail, then complete a parallelogram. The diagonal represents the resultant. For example, if vector A is 3 units east and vector B is 4 units north, the resultant vector forms the diagonal of a right triangle, with magnitude 5 units from Pythagoras. Now, let's look at multiplying vectors. There are two main types. Scalar multiplication. Multiplying a vector by a number, also called a scalar, changes its magnitude but keeps its direction the same. For example, 2a is a vector twice as long as a, pointing in the same direction. Vector multiplication includes dot product, written as a dot b. This gives a scalar. The formula is magnitude of a times magnitude of b times cosine theta, cross product, written as across b. This gives another vector. Perpendicular to both a and b, the formula is magnitude of a times magnitude of b times sin theta. So to summarize, a vector has magnitude and direction. Vectors can be added using triangle or parallelogram rule. Scalar multiplication changes size but not direction. Dot product gives a scalar. Cross product gives a vector. And that's your introduction to vector basics. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.